I'm ready for some creamy chicken pasta today. Oops, not pata. Alright, Natasha's kitchen. Very small serving. I don't know about you, but I would not put this much saturated fat in my body, considering how small a serving is. Let's try one more contender. Tasty! More than 9,000 votes with 5-star ratings. That looks promising. I don't like the fat content though. Let's compare them. Alright, with that ratings, there's no doubt these two recipes are delicious. But my goal is making my homemade creamy chicken pasta not just delicious, but also faster, healthier, and cheaper. So I can eat good and feel good at the same time. Let's make sure that. First thing first, we bring a large pasta pot with water to a boil. Dice half a medium yellow onion. Turn heat to medium. Drop in 3 tablespoons of unsalted butter. And our diced onion follows. Prepare 8 ounces of spinach. So each serving is roughly 35% of recommended daily vegetable intake according to the USDA's and many other sources. I feel so healthy already. Stirring occasionally. In the meantime, let's prepare the rest. Mince 2 to 3 cloves of garlic. Smash, peel, chop, and mince. It's that simple. Now 10 ounces of skinless boneless chicken breast is about 1.5 large chicken breast. Simply cut and slice them into thin slices. Chicken breast is an excellent source of protein. By itself, we get 25 grams of protein per serving, which is about 45% of protein we need a day. Chicken's going in. Excuse me, you're in my way. Now we just stir occasionally. You got that right! Perfect timing. Add about half to 1 tablespoon of salt into the boiling water. 8 ounces of pasta, so we have a nice big serving size for dinner. I'm using fettuccine, cooked for about 10 minutes or according to package instruction. Back to our chicken, stir occasionally until chicken just turn white. Add 1 tablespoon of flour, then stir until not visible. Add 1.5 cup of 2% milk and 1/4 cup of heavy cream. Yes, creamy yummy. Now we just stir occasionally until slightly thickened. We're almost done. Add some salt and pepper to taste. I typically add about 1/3 teaspoon of salt and about 1/4 teaspoon of ground pepper. Reduce heat to simmer. Spinach going in. Stir until slightly wilted. Oh man, it looks so good. Here goes the pasta. Now we just stir for about 1 minute and it is done. If the sauce appears to be dry because we may cook too long, just add in some more milk and cream. Let it heat up again and it's ready for the table. They look so good. Oh, my stomach's rumbling. Here I go. Look at that. So good. Lots of vegetable, protein, creamy with much less fat, and it's so cheap. Just $1.31 for this big plate. Can't beat that. Now the next time you think about creamy chicken pasta, make and eat this. Your body, your pocket, and your time will appreciate you. Alright guys, until next time. Bye. Oh, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you so much.